Alright, so I decided I wanted to do some forging today. And something I've been wanting to do for a while is to forge a knife completely without power tools. So like no disc sanders, no, yeah, well you get it. Just doing it with like your files and just hammer. Which is going to be not fun, but you know what, I'm gonna do it anyways. So in this first little clip, I'm just starting to take my piece of rebar and I'm making it square so that it doesn't have any weird ridges on it. I'm just shaping it to what I want to get it to. And I'll be honest, this first little clip is very long. I even shortened it from what it was. Gosh, this is boring. Either way, I'll probably put some music here in a little bit. I made a bit of a time lapse, so we'll hurry and head on to that. Alright, and this is what I ended up finishing with. It's not the greatest because it's just barely been made, but I'm just going to leave it in the forge and let it cool down with the forge. And that'll be it.